Documents created in the DocBuild Plus program can originate from three sources. They can be printed into the DocBuild Plus using the DocBuild printer, they can be scanned into the program, or they can be dragged and dropped into DocBuild Plus. Once a document is open in the DocBuild Plus window from any source, all of the application's enabled features are available for working with that document. The most common way to get documents into DocBuild Plus is to use the DocBuild printer to print from any software application or window that supports printing. Doing so will render the printed item, for example a Microsoft Word document, web page, or email, to a PDF file and display it in DocBuild Plus. This feature is used frequently, and we recommend setting the DocBuild printer as the default printer. Often, users want to add other pages into a document already open in DocBuild Plus, and the Print Append feature allows them to be easily added by just printing them to the DocBuild printer. When the button is enabled, each additional document printed will be appended to the existing one, allowing multiple documents to be combined into one. Print Append is set by default to automatically disable 180 seconds after the DocBuild window first opens. Users can also enable or disable it by simply clicking on it. When the button is disabled, a separate DocBuild Plus window will be opened with the next printed document. For more information on its use and settings, please refer to the user guide. Scanning a new document into DocBuild Plus can be done at any time. By default, if a document is currently open in DocBuild Plus, your scanned pages will automatically be appended to the existing document. If no document is currently open, a new one will be created. Start the scan process by clicking on the Scan button on the main toolbar, or by clicking the drop-down choosing Scan New. Your scanner's interface should now be shown. This interface will vary from scanner to scanner. Refer to your scanner's documentation for more information on the options and features available. Generally, you will need to click Scan or OK somewhere on this interface to begin the scan. The scanner should now come to life and the document should be scanned. Once scanning is complete, the newly scanned document should be displayed in the DocBuild Plus window and now can be annotated, saved, emailed, or however you wish to work on the document. For more information on default settings in DocBuild for scanning, please refer to the user guide. The third way to open existing documents in the DocBuild Plus program is to open the program itself and then drag and drop a file or files into the viewer window. Open DocBuild Plus by clicking on its icon from the Start menu, or double-clicking its shortcut on your desktop. The application should open with no document loaded. Now locate or browse to any PDF, JPEG, typically photos, TIFF, GIF, or bitmap files you would like to open in the viewer. Tip: you can also drag in multiple files at the same time by simply holding down your Control key while clicking to select the files. Now, holding down the left mouse button, drag it over to the DocBuild Plus window. Once the mouse pointer moves over the application window, it should display a plus sign. Once you have dragged the files you want to open over the window, release the left mouse button. The document should now open in the viewer window. By default, the files will be appended to the end of the current document. You may repeat this process to drag in multiple files. If a document is already open in DocBuild Plus, you will see the window refresh in a few seconds as the additional pages are added into the existing document. For further information on any of the features discussed, please consult the DocBuild Plus user manual.